Hi.
Howdy.
So I have the radiator pulled here, like I said, so I could get the impact on the crank and just zip that right off and put on the new harmonic balancer. But I pulled the radiator, and similar to the bottom side of the thermostat housing, there's just surface rust and
More rattle can rebuild special.
yeah, because they just painted it when it was in the car. And
That is absolutely atrocious, the fact that people do that.
Yeah.
That drives me insane. I can't. Mama said, be nice, so I'm gonna be nice. But, you know what I mean.
yeah, and then that side is done. The wheel cylinder has to be put in, and then you're taking apart this side now, all right?
Yeah, this one, the boot's actually blown completely.
Yeah, I think we saw that on the inspection.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll clean all this up, spray everything down.
Oh, and the drums are good. They don't have to be turned.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Surprisingly enough.
Not really.
I'm still amazed that other drum is an original one.
With the stickers?
Yeah, with the sticker on it.
That's not surprising because this car only has like
It's got hardly any miles.
yeah, it's very low mileage.
Super cool.
It's really nice.
All right, let me get back to work here, get everything cleaned up, and we'll get the wheel cylinder and the shoes on. Well, once in a while I work, you know, you gotta at least keep something.
Well, depends on the corner.
This is true. This is true. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen,